you all once again in lecture series Machining Science and Machine Tool. I Amit Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Canviar University. The objective of computer-aided programming or is to enable a computer to generate the part program code each machine, the component, and computations of the cutter unit will be transferred from the programmer to the computer, thus reducing the possibilities of the error. So at the today the objective we the computer-aided part programming and the where we have to use the motion command for to move the tools or to move the workpiece or to move the axes and around the coordinates which we are working on the plan from x-axis, y-axis and z-axis today. Outcomes. At the end of this student, this lecture about to understand the concept of computer-aided programming is to enable computer to generate the part programmer code required to finishing machine the component and advancement of achieving the include part programming procedure will be considered verified. The computer assistant part programming, I have mentioned the motion command. So today we are basically focused on the motion command and how we can operate the tool, how we can doing the machining by writing a programming and how to can operate the tool by the motion command. So as you see in this diagram, that is the surface in APT. APT that means automatically programming tool, countering motion that guide the cutting tool. That you can see in this diagram having the plan. They are the different type of the three type of surfaces are having. That is the first is the check surface, second is the part surface, third is drive surface, and the cutter and the cutter motion are you. That is there are the surfaces and one is motion is surrounding in the center. That is cylindrical type of you can see here the cylindrical bar as you mentioned here. So just we can say it is a cutter. So it will operating by the functioning of providing the cutter to be planner of milling machine. Okay, so that you have to idea how to can cut the store from this particular motion. So whenever you are doing a machining operation in the we can say in the milling machine, so you have to just manage that you have to give the feed rate from this direction. This direction you will provide the feed rate. That is the cutting speed of this cylindrical bar is depending upon the how much surface you want to cut in per minute. It is to be give the feed rate from this. You can see the arrow from this direction is a forward direction like this. So this is a plan surface. This is a part surface of we can say that is a workpiece, and this is a cutter that is a tool. Okay. So your the motion of the tool around the workpiece is that a forward motion you can see here, and you can apply the some pressure or just we can say for increasing the feed rate with increasing the cutting speed. The material will be cut in the form of chip and the check surface. You just give the motion command here to just side and that have to turn out from that this side. So this will the section we have to cut on the diagram that you have to manage or you have to easy to cut by this type of stop you are cutting that you have to select it for the we can say the CNC milling machines and for the motion command. So that time we required the motion command is easy to operate, but what type of dimensions we have to given to what particular axes and we can say part surface are used to cut the material and with the help of the cutter. As you know that the direction of this particular tool is from the forward direction and after the end is of the edge of the corner cutter edge, the driving surface. You can just get it done from the check surface from the direction. And these are the some motion we can say have to be managing by the motion command and some different type of we can say coding also used for to maintain the quality of surface finishing or we can say quality of the polishing because you know that during the surface removal of a particular operation performed, it is most to be important to understand how to maintain the quality of the surface and just to maintain the quality of the workpiece with respect to the tool. So because it had to be happen sometime that during the machining some quality of the workpiece will be reduced. For increasing or for give the sharpness or for proper finishing, we are just doing some finishing work, and after the abrasive grinder we use for to remove the unwanted material which are not removed by the during the cutter. So these are the technique which we are using, reducing that, having the milling cutter, we can say drilling cutter to be using by the motion command which we operated in the CNC milling machine. Okay, so these are the diagram which we are using, and these are the type of operation which we are performing for doing the number of experiment. If you are having the tail number of experiment, then you have to doing and some research work, and you can find out which cutter, which surface, or we can say part surface is very useful to and give the provide the accurate dimensions with respect to that machine. So these are the some reasons we have to can understand the geometrical part, and we can say it is the most important to have to maintain the surface of automatically part programming, countering, and motion that guide the cutting tool. So these are the some we can say having the part programming. Computer assessment part programming means the motion command. First of all, is to be considered as a there are the several ways. There are the several ways in which the check surface can be used. This is determined by using any four automatic programming tool modifier words in the description data of the motion statement. And the four modifier words we can say that is the to, on, past, and tento. So these are the four type of modifier words which are used for to check the surface, or we can say the quality which will be determined by the APT modifier words, and it has to be used by the some following programmers which have to be working with the quality of, or we can say quality checking of the surface as per the requirement of the customer demand, or the surface quality have a approval for that. So we can say there are the four type of word. They are the different type of word are available to move the motion command, but it has to be some certain advantages we will get by to modify the words and the description data of the motion command. It will be helpful to understand that four type of having the two on. So two, that means we can say to for we can say there's a number to be connected with that number of two experiment, and on that you have to be some on the switches or past. That means we can remove or can access amount of material. If we have that without past, we have to check the quality control, but you have to check the quality work by the this four type of command having the different motion statement, which very helpful to understand the quality of the motion command, which we are not providing to any other type of we can say the machine which we are operating like this. So as you know, that is the computer assistant part programming. Okay, the computer assistant part programming in the motion command, that is options are, the questions are A, that will indicate for the to, B indicate for the on, and C indicate for the past. So use of the APT, that is automatic programming detooling amplifier. Word is motion statement. A, that means to move the tool into the initial contact with the check surface. B is on option, the tool center of the check surface. C, past, move the tool just to surface. So these are the some we can say diagram to indicate a particular operation or perform on a particular machine. That is first is indicated that two means the cutter trajectory or the part surface that is driven by but under the source. So the two part that we can say, the another part will be, it is a drive surface area, drive surface in which the there are the two type of cutter are to be used on a particular machine, and having the quality will be obtained by the supplying the power to that another type of on cylinder. For that, we have to understand the quality service phenomena. But the quality service with the having the good machinery, with having the good infrastructure, you have to obtain, you have to managing the quality with the respective to give the surface trajectory, that is stopping the location of cutter, or simply we can say that to remove the motion or to initially contact with the check breaker. So check breaker is just basically to check the we can say any command will be operated functioning or not, and having the for something improvement, and it will be checked, and during this we have providing some secret to that we will improve the quality service of that particular product to manufacturing. So that time we have to operate, or that time we have to understand these are the major forces we have to consider. Now the second one is that amplifier. Have to be understood that on surface, that means the on and the past. On, that means stopping location of the cutter. Stopping location of the cutter, that means if some, for suppose example, that the location of the cutter is from the out of particular axis, that is, so a particular axis will be removed. So that time it will be stopped automatically, and the location will be set re again by the managing or by the construction of that individual cutter we have to manufacture. As compared to that, we have to check the diameter, we have to check the quality services by maintain the quality it affected by the operator will be if they are missing, or we can say some stopping locations of the cutter to be carried out from the outside of that particular line, the reference line. So these are these are some reasons why we are using that CNC machine having a very good quality, but having some limitations, having some requirement to be organized type of operation by the applying some operations on the milling machine or any other type of machine with respect to this subject. Now the second one, that is the third one, is past. So past in case, and the from the second portion, if you compare with the on, you can see this is a half portion will be carried out from the out of the reference line, and in this portion it will out from that reference line, and there is cutter are available on the surface of that particular material. Okay, and you have to use that cutter the material by announcing that different number of categories will be organized, and we can say the pass to move the tool beyond the check surfaces. So these are the reasons we have to selected the motion command. So as we can say in the manufacturing of any product, the machining science and machine tool subject, it has to be help for understanding the process phenomena, how to manufacturing that particular product, or how to can finishing, or to can machining, and provided to maintain the quality of surface life will be increasing, and surface reference will be decreasing. So these all are the some fundamentals which we are using that, and avoiding the number of query which we have to be write in the driving surfaces or surfaces like this. So there are the three type of surfaces. I'm already again told you that is the first driving surfaces. Second is a check surface. Third one is the part surface program for that. Okay, so I hope you understand the diagram. That is only simply say A indicates that to studying the cutting the geometry, or to cutting the we can say the slots passing from that, and how to can connect it with that, you have to write an idea. But after the some time, what happens that you have to can check how to be cutter. So stop the location of a cutter. We can say the check surfaces on or some past that is to be required dimensional basis on one position, and the cutter center of the check surfaces will be operated, which will come in the center. And after that, stopping the location of the center, it will be only a single part of that particular block, and the remaining part is to be left from the another side of the as per the requirement. So that time we can say the computer assistant part programming, that it is very simple, but having some difficulty we are obtained, and having the quality we have compromised. Sometimes it will be said that yes, it has to be happen like this. Without this quality, without this, we can say improving the knowledge of. First of all, you have to get an idea how to write a part program, how to write a motion command for that to be move the tool from one place to another. So these are some techniques which are very important to understand first of all, and after that you have to identify what is the best for the quality to maintain the surface requirement of their function and requirement of the objective of this design of having life. These are the reasons why we are choosing the motion command is, and it's having the very good type of technology, because generally it will based on fully the CNC milling machine and CNC lathe machine also, and there are a number of experiments you have to perform, that is for CNC lathe machine having a turning, facing, moving, chamfering, that drilling machine that you have to be just doing a boring or any we can check the material is to be transported or not for the proper size for size. So these are the some conditions which we obtain for to maintain the quality service of the we can say the using of that automatic part programming modified versions in the modern statement to remove the tool to initiate the contact with the check surfaces, and on position the tool center on the check surfaces And last one is pass to move the tool just beyond the check surfaces are as follows. Now in the second diagram that you can see here, you can see here ever that in the motion command, it is in writing a motion statement, programming must keep in mind the direction from the which the tool is coming is the proceeding motion, and the programmer must pretend to a riding on the top of the tool as it driving a car, and after the tool reaches the check surfaces, right turn or left turn or what. So the answers to this type of question determined by one of the following 6 months forward, or we can say some words which we interpreted like the illustration in the following figure will be discussing the later. So as you know that the computer as it start programming having the command motions that we can say writing in the motion command, which is the part must keep in mind the direction from which the tool is coming in the processing motion that. So the program has to be pretend or to be ready on the top of the tool as a driving as a car. So as we can say that after the tool reaches the check surface in the proceeding move, does the next move involving a right turn or the left turn of the board? So the answer to the question is determining one of the following X motion, that word which we help to understand, or we can some interpretations or some illustration will be shown that, and to check the surfaces which we have obtained the tool will reach easily or not, and having the good quality will be obtained or not. So that time we have to can get an idea to next to move or to involving a right turn phase or turning the phase with the we can say driving a car. So whatever you have to just write a program. You just write a program by mixing of the programmer and to print the writing of the tool of the top. And if the conditions are to be obtained, you have to fill in the idea. So you can see in this diagram that computer assisted part programming, the motion command are shown in figure. So the we can say the use of the automatic program, the we can say tooling, motion words, the tools have moved from a previous position into the present position. The direction of the next move is determining by one of the automatic programming tool motion word GOLFT, GORGT, GOFWD, go back, group, or go down. So these are the some we can say motion commands on the different axes. So applying different axes is a portion of we can see here. It is the first portion are to be act here, and you have to just give the fold or direction, that is the arrow you can see here. From tangential line to be act on it, and just from that perpendicular line to be act for that. That a vertical line will show that a group and a go down. And we can say the left hand side the arrow will shape to the on the left hand side that is a go fed, and right hand side that is a go cut. And right hand side that is arrow indicate that a GOF go WD, and from the right hand side arrow show that go back for that. So you can see the previous tool position. The previous tool position from like this. This one is the previous tool position, and this is the new tool position which we are observing that during the our working with that machining science and machine tool series. That is to be very important to understand. The group will be make, and it will remove those having not idea, or it will have to an idea that to be calculate the number of command will be using for that particular operation, having that have to create some difficulty which we are not a part of our quality, that you have to managing that all the parameters to be using, and having that there is no problem will be created by this. So these are the reasons to be around. These are the reasons to be selected for that, to find out the different axes, different we can say different sections will be divided by the some following reasons, and having not be including by the following reasons also. So that time we can say the we can say automatically power programming technology moving the words, and the tool has removed from previous position or in this present position, and direction of the next move determine one of the APT, that means automatic programming tools, that is motion words with we taken to the series for that particular tool will be obtained as easily or smooth will be facing by by them. Now the another one you can see here, if you want to cut that tool that is in the present tool position, you can see here. The present tool position is that right hand side a small section you have to consider for the theta angle, or we can say that some also we can say that some reading will be obtaining for that how to can operate this type of tool in the diagram. So it is very easy to understand, and having the good quality will be obtained by the showing this type of code. It is a motion code first of all. Motion code, that means to begin the sequences of motion commands, the from statement is used. That is FROM, from. And the statement following the from command defines the initial drive surface, part surface, and the check surface. With reference to the following figure, the sequence step the following as follows. So if anybody want to that to initialize the increase in the surface quality, or to damage the we can say the checking quality, or the reducing the from form statement is shown in the figure, that is to be dangerous and having the right language with different terms which we don't understand. How to write the languages, then after it will be able to understand that all the machines are to be manufactured in a single box and a single department which we have to arriving on that. So these are the reasons why we are choosing the machining science and machine tool subject in the manufacturing technology series, or as well as the machining science machine tool series. That is the reason, that why is it to be doing the practical work basically. And without a practical, we do not want to understand the procedure of actual phenomena which we are using or providing the sample. So as you know that the from slash p tar g, p tar g, that means indicate that from the position if you selected, and p tar g is used, go slash to comma pl1 comma to comma pl2 comma to pl3 comma to. This series will be continued until it will not stop by the persons who are not be able to understand all this type of problem regarding the CNC milling machine. So the symbol task, we can say PTAR represent the target point where the operator has set up the tool. The GO command instructed the tool is moving at the interference of the driving space, that is a PL1, and the part surface, that is PL2, and the check surface is PL3 for that. Since we can say because the modifier word to obtain has been the cutter for the each of the three surfaces, the circumference of the circle is tangential passes, and the point we can say P1 and the P3 for that. So as the bottom of the cutter is on the PL2, and three surfaces including also for that to join the surface very clearly. There's a driving surface, part surface, and the check surface. These are three types of surfaces which are using for the three, including into the GOES attachment must be supplied in order to this, providing the new one of the existing we are solved. So I hope you understand this video, and I think the writing of some questions to end of the lecture. It will simply, we can say, to begin the sequencing of the motion commands, the from statement is used. A statement following the from command define the initial drive state, surface, part surface, and the check surface for that. These are some reasons why we are choosing for that. Another one, that is a motion command, is also applicable for that initialization of automatic programming, we can say transformer or counting motion sequence. So in this diagram, you can see here, these are the three types of section are to be considered. First is plant 1 on the left side, plant PL2 for the bottom one side, PL3 bottom top side, and PL4 from the bottom outside side of that unside. The initialization of automatic programming technology of countering motion interferences is to be obtained by to maxing or to by challenging that particular tool will be operated by you and having the quality or to control how to manage it. But there is not any actual type of data you have to identify to what we are selected the data on the basis of particular this we are not ready to obtain it. So just keep in mind that having the it is a very easy, but having the task of it to find that the difficulty will be faced sometime. So it will be helpful to understand that it not be requirement of urgent basis. There is a requirement of important, but we have to can find out all the terms which we are using there. So the PL1, PL2, PL3, and PL4. These four type of we can say the APT countering motion sequence is to be identified on the any type of a workshop, any type of industry where you will, all this type of working are made up of in the easiest way. So that way we have to purchase it. Now the second that is the command motion it to be using for maintain the quality, that is initialization of the APT countering motion system or sequences. Initialization of APT countering motion sequence. So with this, we have to can understand all the process parameters and all the criteria by one this. So this is another type of motion command. It is a computer assessment part programming. Example, the APT automatically part programming technology or because a tool. The countering motion command is to be used. That is the options that is the plan. And each and every plan have a different type of section where something is 1, somewhere is 2, somewhere is 3, somewhere the plan. So what is the reason why this type of plan we are made and how it is working? So first of all, what happened that N0001 and N002, it indicates the starting that is to be a part of simple to be calculate the range of that particular x to y axis are as well. And these are some numbers. That is the numbers indicates that the range will be defined as very large or height or thickness. But we have to conducting the treatment that is to be using the hot case on the cold case to make it the still will be powerful, and having the software will be easy to understand how to can managing this type of operation. That is with three type of four are to be placed here for all N006, N007, N005, and N00. Having the quality will be improving by CNC machine. That it will be giving the some small demonstration which we have to understand the procedure of the we can say the quality to maintain the service provider. Next is the different number of we can say a provider number says simply it will be removed type of problem. It will be having issues by this type of problem we created for them. It is very easy to understand, but you have not a difficulty to show that it answered the answer and on N01, N001, N02, N03, N04, and N23 is to be put on the surface of the we can say element of programming by the part programming, and to write the program it's very easy, but having the some difficulty if you are facing, then it will be asked to me a certain question. I will be reply to soon. So what we do, we have to can understand that something the assessment part programmer to be operated or a different number of zones are to be used for that, but you have to can understand. Next one is the computer assisted part programming sample. That is the example we can say automatic part programming tool counter motion command. It normally known as the counter motion commands. Third one, that is we can say let us write a program that is for the automatic practice APT for technique from the motion command to provide the from that motion command that will having the mill outside the edges of our sample from a target point p target located x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 50 mm, and z is equal to 10 mm for that. So these are the reasons why we are choosing this type of command or the rail as a part of the research by this. So that time we have to understand all this type of problem that this is like surface LP L2 has made or has been allocation to be changes at the XY plane and YZ plane for the 24 minutes. These are the some problems that will be calculated or absorbing by the quality surface which we are operating in the vision by this. So we can simply say it is like the automatically part programming that tool that motion command to provide the mill the outside gear and over the small workpiece. And we also assume that the part 12, that is that P12, has been defined as the plane parallel to the skyway plane and located 25 below the top surface of the part. That is the answer to be required as the particular words to be understood. The quality will be obtained by this. Another one, that is a computer assessment part programming. Computer assessment part programming, simply we can say that a drilling operation and having some dimensions are given. The first is a drilling tool diameter, that is 7 mm. Tool number that is a 1, and it is a 100. First of all, for calculate action and VF, that means 0.05 meter per minute is the answer for that. So these are the reasons that type of example will be carried out for to making the drilling phenomena easy. Second is a milling, that is the end milling machine diameter as a 20 degrees, we can say 20 mm. Total number of we can say where it has 2, and n is equal to 1000 rpm clockwise and Vf is equal to 50 meter mm per minute for that. So these are the reasons which we are obtaining that having the easy to idea or having the easy to calculate why it is possible to, why it is negative image have to be created. So the surface quality is very important, and having the good quality of surface will be providing by the provider. Second is the RPM, that is a milling machine for that. The tool number, that is the tool are to be 2, and the vapor, we can say the vapor compression reflection cycle, or we can say that to cutting the operation, to can end milling the tool, or to can improve the surface quality, can improve the to can we are also operating the number of RPM for different type of clock calling direction will be more. Velocity of feed rate basically 50 wave per minute to be operating for this. So these are the some reason, that is the example milling example for the milling machine and for drilling machine. Both are different to each other, but having the different diameters and different conditions. But the similarity is to be same, that is to be purchasing the have to be used for that material. Okay, now the second one, that is pointer T, P, T, R, G at 0, -50, 10. So these are the starting point of that particular movement to be understand the particles, or we can say starting the point which we have an idea how to can operating. Now we can understand that this portion not be starting, this portion, this trend will be starting within a few minutes. So these are the some conditions will be operating by this. We have to can carry it out for the result of one of them. So these are the computer assessment part programming, that is solution that are given. That is first is part on drilling and milling. Second is the units, mm. Cutter /20 degree. Pit arc is equal to point /0.0, 50, 0. P1 point indicate that the point /0, 0, -0, y point x, y, z for that. P4, that means the 35.90, that. P5, P7, P6, P7, P18, and P value come from the we can say of the salary by the computer aided drafting or by computer aided software programming. During the, of course, we can find out we have to reduce the we can reduce the cost and having the salary by this one of them. So it became that the lines, these are the some line, these are the point, these are the cutter to be mentioned here. So line indicate that the 1 to 8 line to be using for that, and line, that is we can say 4 type of line are available to we can for type of available basically to be write a program for that. Write a program for machining, it is the part of that we have to understand like this. Hopefully you have to enjoy this video and you have to understand the quality of that we can say the cutter, motor cutter to be identified with the easy test. Second is a computer aided path programming, giving the circle for continued C1 is equal to circle slash center, comma P8, comma radius, comma 30. And PL1, that is a plan slash P1, P2, P3. Remark, that is start machine milling operation from slash the P part. Load TL, that for slash 02. Sprinter, comma 1000 CLW. Feed rate slash 50 IPM. Coolant versus fluid. So go to L1, 2, PL2 and PL4 is the answer for the CAT to be understand the quality service, or we can say some movable conditions are to be occur to move the command motion, and the command will be operating or cylindrical will be what type of requirement we have to follow, we have to mention in the PPT. That is to be a part of this PPT. Okay, now the next, that is the engineering analysis of CNC position system. The first is that the ANSI position system converts the coordinate value in the VNC, that is a normal, we can say numerical control, part programming into the relief position, or we can say of the tool, and white, or we can word part during the processing. And the considering the simple positioning system work should be mentioned here. So these are some diagram you can see. These are the motor and the lead screw arrangement in the ANSI programming system, where you can motor can be run with the high RPM, and this RPM will be transferred to the this axis, and its axis will be give the some lead axis or lead screw will be fixed with that, and to be managing the quality will be improved by the government of the ministry, and having the chance to be operated by the center is soon as possible. That will be encouraging that engineering analysis of the CNC positioning center, or we can ANSI positioning center, convert the coordinate axes along the XY plane and XY direction in the relative the motion of the tool, which we are working the grooming. So this I can see this tool will be continuously move, and axis will also be motion. So this tool will continue motion and make a part, and having that this storage is from that by this another one. So these are the some we can say at simple that easy analysis of CNC engineering system with the help of the computer program. Now that another one is the engineering analysis of CNC positioning system. The options are, that is a system, the system consisting of a cutter, or we can say a cutting tool, and as a work metal on the work, which are workplaces is fixtures. So the table is designed to move the part relative to the work tool. So we can say the tool workpiece or the workpiece table to be lightly by the means of rotating screw, which is driving by the stepsometer. Third one is the screw drive. So the screw drive, or we can say lead screw, has a certain pitch bracket involved in, that is we can say initial inch per revolution, or comma for the mm per revolution for like this. And the velocity of the work table which operates the feed rate is the machining operation, and is determined by the rotation speed of the lead screw basically. So we have to can measure the we can say measure the real value we can obtain from that machine, and having the compare with the existing value to be operating by the some technology will be using. So what is the best for that? You have to can optimize by the genetic algorithm command, which are helping like this to be maintain the good quality service for it. So these are the some reasons we are continually. And now at the end of the lecture, I'm just asking some multiple choice questions on the motor motion command. First is that this device feed to the control unit of ANSI machine tool, which send the position command signal to side waves transmission element of the is called as first is controller, B tap, C feedback unit, and D none of the above. So the correct answer, that is B is the correct answer for this. That is the tap is the correct answer for to transferring the command signals to side transmission elements of the machine. Now the second question, that is a numerical control machine tool. The position feedback package is contacted by the options are A, control unit and programmer, B, programmer and the machine tool, C, control unit and the machine tool, and D, programmer and the process planning. So these are the some requirement of that we can say C, that is the control unit, and the process we can say planning, not we can say as the correct answer, it is the control unit and the machine tool is the right answer to be around the feed packages between the control unit and machining. Question number 3, that is which of the following option is correct for the control unit panel and panel of the NC, numerical control and computer numerical control machine tool. So the option A, that is the counter unit of numerical control machine tool and mode, and the control unit of the CNC work in the batch production. B, the control unit of a numerical control machine tool work in batch processing model and controlling the unit of CNC machine tool work in the online mode. Third is the control unit of CNC machine work in the online mode. And D, that is a control unit of both NC and CNC machine work in the batch processing mode. So the correct answer C, that is B, is the correct answer for that. Question number 4, that is the machining of a workpiece. The material is removed by drilling action, melting action, shearing action, or using the brittle of the material action. That is for that. So the correct answer is C, that is shearing action. So in which of the process machining of the workpiece, the material is removed by the shearing action of the workpiece. Question number 5, that is the depth that the tool is plugged into the surface is called as, first is feed, B, depth of cut, C, depth of tool, and the workpiece or working depth. So the correct answer, that is B, the depth of cut, is the right answer for that. So the depth that the tool is plugged into the surface is called the depth of cut. Question number 6, that means the feed is measured in unit of, first is option number A, length per revolution, B, degree per revolution, C, length, and D is the velocity. So the correct answer, that is A, or we can say that the feed is measured in units of length. Question number 7, that means in CNC system, multiple microprocessor and programmable logic controller work. The options are in parallel, B, in series, C, one after the another, and D, for 80% of the total machining time. So the correct answer, that is A, in parallel. So we can say in the detail, that is to be in CNC system, multiple microprocessor and programmable logic controller work in parallel series. Question number 8, that is which of the following is not the advantage of the CNC machine? Say that is A is higher flexibility, B, improved quality, C, reduced scrap rate, and D is the strength of the component. So we can say the correct answer is D, that is improve the strength of the component is the not the advantages of the CNC machine. Ninth question is, in how many ways CNC machine tool system can be classified? 2, 3, 4, and 5. The correct answer, that is 3, we can say is the number to CNC machine system is classified. And the last question, the 10th question is, in part programming, interpolation is used for obtaining the dash trajectory. The options is A, helicoidal, B, pentagonal, C, triangular, and D is zigzag. So the correct answer, that is A, helicoidal, is the right answer for this. So at the end of this lecture, I am recommend some books for the lecture series, Machining Science and Machine Tool. First is Modern Machine Processes by P.C. Pandey and H.S. Shah, Tata McGill Publisher. Second, Machine Tool Design by N.K. Mehta for Tata McGill Publisher. Third is the Production Engineering Science by P.C. Pandey and C.K. Singh by Tata Standard Publisher. Fourth is Manufacturing Technology by R.K. Rajput by Lakshmi Publication. And fifth is Manufacturing Technology by P.N. Rao by Tata McGill Publication. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you doubt any query, you will be drop me a mail on this basis question regarding the motion command. To my email ID is amit.tiwari@mygyanware.com, and you will be contact to me my mobile number also at 69031 9. Thank you so much for listening presentfully. I hope you enjoy this video.